Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to practice Electrostatics Part 4 Elite Level, question 76 to 100 for NEET previous year style preparation. This set is specially designed for students who want to practice more concept-based, slightly tougher and exam tricky electrostatics equations. Here is the format for this video. First, I will present all the questions. After that, we will go through the answers along with brief explanations. So, try to solve each question by yourself before checking the solution. Do not skip to the end too quickly because the explanation round will help you strengthen your concepts. Let us begin the equation round. Question 76. Two identical small spheres, each carrying charge plus q, are fixed at a distance 2a apart. A third charge q is placed at the midpoint. For the net force on each outer sphere to be zero, q must be a minus q by 4, b minus q by 2, c minus q. Question 77. A charge q is distributed uniformly over a semicircular arc of radius r. The electric field at the center is a kq by r square, b 2kq by pi r square, c kq by 2r square. Question 78. Three charges plus q and minus q are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A. The electrostatic potential energy of the system is A minus kq square by A, B 0, C plus kq square by A. Question 79. The electric potential at a point on the axial line of a dipole at distance r, where r is much greater than a, is proportional to a 1 by r, b 1 by r square, c 1 by r cube. Question 80. The electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on its equatorial line at large distance r is proportional to a 1 by r, b 1 by r square, c 1 by r cube. Question 81. A dipole of moment p is placed in a uniform electric field E if the angle between the dipole moment vector and the electric field vector is 60 degrees. The torque on the dipole is A QE, B QE by 2, C root 3 by 2 PE. Question 82. A positive point charge is brought near an uncharged conducting sphere without touching it. Then the sphere A acquires net positive charge, B acquires net negative charge, C remains neutral but gets polarized. Question 83. A thin spherical shell of radius r carries uniform surface charge. The electric field at a point inside the shell is A proportional to distance from the center, B. Inversely proportional to the distance from center, C. Zero everywhere. Question 84. A charge Q is enclosed inside a cube. The electric flux through one face of the cube is A. Q by epsilon naught, B. Q by C epsilon naught, C. Q by 4 epsilon naught. Question 85. A plane sheet has uniform surface charge density sigma. The magnitude of electric field near the sheet is A. Sigma by epsilon naught, B. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught, C. 2 sigma by epsilon naught. Question 86. Two capacitors of capacitances 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in series across an 18-volt battery. The charge on the combination is A. 18 microcoulomb, B. 24 microcoulomb, C. 36 microcoulomb. Question 87. The equivalent capacitance between the terminals of two capacitors 2 microfarad and 4 microfarad connected in parallel is A. 1.33 microfarad, B. 2 microfarad, C. 6 microfarad. Question 88. The energy stored in a capacitor is doubled if A. Only voltage is doubled, capacitance constant, B. Only capacitance is doubled, voltage constant, C. Both A and B. Question 89. A parallel plate capacitor is connected to a battery and then a dielectric slab fully fills the space between the plates. Then A. Capacitance increases, charge remains constant. B. Capacitance decreases, charge remains constant. C. Capacitance increases, charge increases. Question 90. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and then disconnected from the battery. If separation between plates is increased, then its stored energy A. decreases, B. increases, C. remains same. Question 91. A charge Q is placed at the center of a Gaussian spherical surface of radius r. If the radius is doubled, the total flux through the surface becomes A. doubled, B. halved, C. unchanged. Question 92. At a point in an electric field, the potential is zero. This necessarily means that the electric field at that point is A. zero, B. non-zero, C. cannot be predicted from this information alone. Question 93. An electron enters a uniform electric field with velocity perpendicular to the field. Its path is A. circular, B. straight line, C. parabola. Question 94. If the electric potential in a region is constant, then the electric field in that region is A. constant but non-zero, B. zero, C. inversely proportional to the distance. Question 95. The ratio of the electric field magnitudes at distances r and 2r from a point charge is A 1 is to 2, B 2 is to 1, C 4 is to 1. Question 96. Four identical capacitors, each of capacitances C, are connected to form a square. The equivalent capacitance across one side of the square is A, C, B, 3C by 2, C, 2C. Question 97. A conducting sphere of radius r is given charge q. The potential at its surface is A kq by r square, B kq by r, C kqr. Question 98. Two charges plus q and minus q are separated by a distance 2a. The electric potential at the midpoint is A positive, B negative, C 0. Question 99. A metal plate of area A is inserted between the plates of a charged capacitor without touching them. The capacitance of the arrangement A decreases, B increases, C remains unchanged. Question 100. Three capacitors C, 2C and 3C are connected in series. The equivalent capacitance is A 6C by 11, B 11C by 6, C 2C. Answer and explanation round. Now let us check the answers one by one. Keep your pen ready and quickly match your score. So my dear students, this was Electrostatics Part 4 Elite Level Questions 76 to 100. If your score was high, excellent work. But in case you made mistakes, don't worry, it is natural. The purpose of elite level practice is to sharpen your concepts and improve your accuracy. In this set, we revised Coulomb's law, electric field, electric potential, dipoles, Gauss's law, conductors, capacitance, dielectric effects, and stored energy in capacitors. Write your score out of 25 in the comment section. Also, let me know what you want next. The series Current Electricity 1 to 100 questions, assertion reason electrostatics, or mixed NEET physics rapid revision. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.